Good day to you, Class 9. Open your Beehive textbook, that is your prose, to Chapter 2, Part 2. In my earlier video, I had done Part 1, which was based on Evelyn Glennie, a girl who had become completely deaf by the age of 11. But her sheer determination and hard work in music she had achieved top awards and rewards. Students, it's true. Your determination and your hard work to do well in any field will surely be successful. That is the theme of the first part. In the second part about Bismillah Khan, he just didn't sit and listen to people playing the Shehnai. Of course, he belonged to a family of great musicians who played the Shehnai. They were great Shehnai players. But he had to work hard. He sat by the Ganga. The flowing water of the Ganga inspired him. And he would sit there for hours playing the Shehnai. In those days, the Shehnai was thought to be inferior to the ragas that were composed. But Bismillah Khan proved them wrong. He used the Shehnai as he composed ragas. So here also you find the sheer determination, the love for music, and the hard work put in, and he became successful. So I will just go through with the summary of the story on Bismillah Khan. In the second part, we come to know about Bismillah Khan, who had achieved excellence in the field of Shehnai playing. In 2001, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna. The Pungi had been banned by Aurangzeb as it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. A Baba decided to improve the tonal quality of the Pungi. He played the improved instrument before royalty and everyone was impressed. The instrument had been given a new name, the Shehnai, for it was played in the Shah's chamber by a Nai or a Baba. The sound of the Shehnai began to be considered auspicious. Therefore, it is still played in temples and in any North Indian wedding. The Shehnai was part of the Naubat, or a group of 9 instruments found at royal courts. The credit goes to Bismillah Khan for bringing the Shehnai onto the classical stage. Bismillah Khan belongs to a well-known family of musicians from Bihar. His ancestors were great Shehnai players. He accompanied his uncle and slowly learned to play the Shehnai. He would sit on the banks of the Ganga, practicing throughout the day. He created ragas that were considered beyond the range of the Shehnai. Then came his big break. With the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938, Bismillah got his big break. He soon became an often heard Shehnai player on radio. On 15th August 1947, when India gained independence, Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shehnai. He became the first Indian to perform at Lincoln Center Hall in the US. He was awarded the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. In 2001, Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. He was very fond of Banaras and Dumram. They remain for him the most wonderful towns of the world. He even refused a position in America as he would not be able to find the Ganga there. So boys and girls, here too you find how Bismillah Khan worked so hard and became successful. He was known all over the world. So again, I am bringing this to your notice. Hard work will pay good dividends. So it is important for you. I'm going to give you a task. Do this in rough, not in fair. You have to make sentences from the words I'm calling out, and you have to bring out their meaning. So please pay attention. First, pursue. Pursue. Second, revived. Revived. Third, accompanying. Accompanying. Fourth, ventures. Ventures. Fifth, yearning. Yearning. Sixth, devout. Devout. And the last is prolonged. Prolonged. Boys and girls of class 9, a little advice. Do watch these videos 3 to 4 times, but not continuously. If you are watching one video in the morning, take a break for about 3 to 4 hours, maybe in the afternoon or evening, watch the video again. You know why? Because you have a lot of work to do from the mobile itself. Therefore, take care of your eyes. They are the windows to your world. Don't strain your eyes. Keep this in mind. Watch videos that I have sent you. Keep on watching 3 to 4 times, but at different intervals, not continuous.